Hello tubes, good day again. I think this is vid number 5, still Friday afternoon. We're here at this huge truck, tractor and classic car event in Weelde, Belgium. And here are a few old trucks. Oh, nice shiny Scania Vabis. A newer one. Well, I'm not sure about the years, I have to check the license plates for that. Oh, this looks old too, or classic if you want to call it. Yeah. Enough room in the back to sleep quietly this night. Yeah. Big RV trailer. Well, that's the chief with the blue shirt, chief of this event. So. If you wonder how you find your spot, look, here are the numbers. Every participant gets a number. This is 987, so there's a big spot, so for trucks and trailers. Let's see, what more have you got? Ah, more torpedo noses. Short box on it. Well, again, converted into an RV. Scania 81. Well, again, not sure about the year, but I always can check the license plates website of the Dutch Ministry of Transport. It'll tell you the year and the make and the all these specifications. The Volvo, Swedish quality. Let's see, well, there's still some room for more thingies. Ah, one lonely old truck there. Check it out. It's a bussing. Three wipers. Ah, well, peep underneath. Yeah. Oh, nicely restored, clean. Lots of springs underneath. Yeah. Well tubes, just a short vid of some old trucks already arrived here on Friday at this huge event in Belgium. Try to make some more vids. See you in the next vid. Bye bye.